Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see the question number 14 of exercise 5.1. So here is the question. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. So here is the angles names are given. First one is obtuse vertically opposite angle. Second is adjacent complementary angle. Third is equal supplementary angle. Fourth is unequal supplementary angle. And fifth one is adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair, isn't it? Now here is the figure. So first part it is asked obtuse vertically opposite angle. What do you mean by obtuse vertically opposite angle? An angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is called a obtuse angle, isn't it? And what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Vertically opposite angle, that means an angle which is exactly opposite to each other, that is called a vertically opposite angle. So by seeing the figure we have to name an angle which is obtuse vertically opposite angle, isn't it? Now look what will be the solution. So obtuse vertically opposite angle will be angle AOD and angle BOC. We can also read the angle as angle DOA as well as angle COB. So in the figure which one will be the angle AOD? Angle AOD and angle BOC. So this dotted line have you seen? So these angles are obtuse vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now the second one is adjacent complementary angle. What do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent mean an angle. Suppose taking an example of this one BOE, and this one is the common ray for both the angle, isn't it? So an adjacent angle, that means an angle which is having common vertex, common arm, and non-common arm is present on the opposite side of a common arm, that is called the adjacent angle. And complementary angle, that means adding the two angles it must be equals to 90 degrees, isn't it? So what is adjacent complementary angle? Adjacent complementary angle will be angle EOA, okay, and angle AOB. Which one will be? Angle EOA and angle AOB. So these are the adjacent complementary angle. Understood? Now third one, equal supplementary angle. Supplementary means an angle, sum of the two angles must be equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So that two angles must be, their value must be equal. So that kind of angle is said to be a supplementary angle. Again I am explaining the same. Supplementary angle means sum of the two angle must be equals to 180 degree, isn't it? But it is said equal. So adding the two supplement, it should be equals to 180 degree, and that two supplement must be equal. So which will be the solution for that? Equal supplementary angle are angle EOB and angle EOD, isn't it? So here is the figure, angle EOB and angle EOD. So these are the equal supplementary angle. In the same way, the fourth part of the question it is asked unequal supplementary angle. Unequal supplementary angle, that means the values of the two angle must not be equal, but of course it should be supplementary. Okay, so what is the answer for that? Unequal supplementary angle will be angle EOA and angle EOC. Where is in the figure? Angle EOA and angle EOC. So these are the two unequal supplementary angle. Now the last part of the question it is asked adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair. Adjacent, as I had explained you beforehand, it should have a common vertex, common arm, and non-common arm is present on the opposite side of the common arm. It is an adjacent angle, isn't it? In the same way, what is linear pair angle? Linear pair angle, that means sum of the angle must be linear, that is 180 degrees, isn't it? Or we can say that sum of the angle must be supplementary angle, that are called a linear pair angle. So here the question number 5 it is asked that adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair, means it should be adjacent but do not form a linear pair. Okay, so what will be the answer? So look the answer. So here are the three pairs which do not form a linear pair of adjacent angle, isn't it? So first one is angle AOB, angle AOE. This is the first pair. Second pair is angle AOE comma angle EOD. This is the second pair, and the third pair is angle EOD and angle COD. So this is the third pair of the angle. So these are the adjacent angle which do not form a linear pair. Okay, thank you.